Hi, we will see most used and important features of Remindax, and we'll explore all the sections and see how what they are and what is their functionality. So here we have the main dashboard of Remindax account, and you can see some documents here. So basically, a document is any document which you want to track, like your passport, your driving license, or any other certificate which is going to expire and you are going to track it. So that comes under documents. So in this dashboard right now, we can see we have around 97 documents, and some of them are expired, some of them are expiring in 30 days and expiring in 7 days. So here we can have a quick look of these documents. For example, expiring in 30 days, we have two documents. We can just click on it and it will give us the list of those two documents which are expiring in the next 30 days. Similarly, there are other filters available here like expired and total documents. We just check the expired documents, and here we have all the expired documents list. There are really 91 entries. So dashboard is just a quick view of all your data, and a quick snapshot and how it works. And then if you can go if you go to expirations, the same thing you can find here, and it will show you all your documents, and you can browse from here, and even you can search any document by a keyword. Okay, we have some number of search and filter options here, and we can see from the dashboard here are search. Just click it here, and here we can search any number of documents with the range of the expiration date. For example, I will enter a date range here, and we can filter according to these dates. So any documents expiring within these dates will be listed here. So we have 7 entries which are expiring between these two dates. And similarly, we can search by keyword. We just enter a keyword here, and this keyword will be searched in all the documents, in all the fields, and also in the folder names. Here we have the search results with our keyword, and we can see the list of all documents with the keyword we have just mentioned here. For if every document, there is a document type, like passport is a document type. These document types we can define it here. So you go to document types, and here we can create our own document type. This document type could be anything as per your industry. You can name it as you like, and you can create any subfields of those documents. Even you can create default reminders for this document and default contacts. What does this mean is, when you create a new expiration alert, automatically this reminder frequency will automatically be set for those reminders. We'll see that later in another video in details how this works. And then we have an import section. You can import the data. Here we have some instructions. There is an Excel file you need to download. Just fill up this Excel file and just select and import, so that all the data will be imported at once. And similarly, there's an export section. You can export data into an Excel sheet. Just select the folders and type of document which you want to export, and it will be exported. Now the heart of this application is the Explorer. Here you will find all your documents. You can manage your documents, and you can create folders, and you can create new documents and new expirations. And if we expand it and see that there are right now, you can see some few documents available here. in the Explorer on the main root, and you can see the validity, and some of them are expired. And you can create folders. Folders are useful for managing large data. You can organize data in folders with company name or business name or employee name or anything you like. So it will be much easier for you to recognize and to retrieve the data. Then we have a drive section. Drive is basically, it's a storage drive for your files, and any type of file you can upload here. It could be a video file, it could be a PDF file, document file. These files you can later use to attach with any of the reminders. So when a reminder will be sent, so whatever the attachment you select from here, it will be sent along with the reminder. So we'll just click plus sign and upload a file to test. I'll just select the file and I click upload, and there we go, we have seen the file is uploaded here. Then there is a calendar section. Calendar is useful, it's a visual view of all the document and upcoming expirations. So like here we have in this month, we can see on each date there are a number of documents which are going to expire. Here we have 2 documents, we just click, and here we have the details of the document which are going to expire on this date. Similarly, we can switch this to a year view. Right now it's a month view. So here we have the year view with each month, and you can see in front of each month there are some documents, number of documents expiring in that particular month. Just like in April there are 16. If we click this 16, and we will be moved to the month of April, and we can see there are a total of 16 documents expiring in the month of April. We can switch to the list view. So all these 16 documents, we can watch them in the list view. Here we have the list view. And then we have contact section. Contacts are basically are the people who will receive your email alerts or SMS alerts. This could be your clients, this could be your employees, your team members, anyone you can be added into your contact list. And once it is added, then you can set up reminders for those contacts. You just need to add the first name, last name, and email address. If you have a mobile number, you can add mobile number and it will be added as a contact. Then we have users. Users are basically the sub users within your account. It's like you want to delegate your work to your employees, or you can outsource someone to enter the data on your behalf. So you can create users, set their permissions, and those users can enter data or they can manage the data on your behalf. Here you can set the permissions, whatever permission you want to give them the access to some pages, add, create, update, delete, and it works accordingly. Then we have companies. The Remindax supports multi-company data. It's like currently we have this company selected here. We can add any number of companies, and the data for each company will remain private for that company. Every company can have its own users, its own contacts, and its own documents, and it will be completely remain private from other companies. It's like users of one company cannot access the data of another company. Then there is another feature we call it the email templates. The email templates are the ones which the email will be using, the email system. You can create your own custom template as you like. We have some default template which will be this is the default template here. Every reminder email will be sent under this template. You can customize it here. There are lots of instructions and videos are available on our YouTube channel how to customize this template as per your requirement.